Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brushes on iRobot Roomba i3. And to do this, first we'll need to open this lever, green lever right here on the other side of our robot, and this should remove the cover for the brushes. Now to remove them, we'll need to take it from one side like this, and then pull it to the left. And the same is with the second one, like that. Now to replace them, we'll need to take a look on the shapes on the right side of the brush. So here's the square and here's the pentagon. Now we need to align them like this. So first we need to go with the shape, and then the other one like this. It may take a few tries. Okay, and when they are rotating like that, that means we've reinserted them properly. We can close the hatch and it's ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.